Auxito was nice enough to send me high beams, low beams, and fog lights as a sponsorship type video. So right now I have an unnamed, I'm not gonna say the name of the brand of LEDs, but they've done me all right. But the LEDs, and I'm talking highs, lows, and fogs. These right here, I don't even know what I got in. Auxitos are advertised as a higher lumen than the ones I got. So these are the 9006 white. That's your highs, I believe. And these are the fogs, which are H10s. And these are the, I want to say H11s, or 9005s. This would be the lows. So open the package real quick. These are 9005s. They come with the little gloves, little product manual, and as you can see, it comes with these fans that are built in to help them keep cool. I've had no problems with these type of fans in the past. Same on the fog lights and same on the low beams. It comes with the type of those little fans and what I guess is some type of resistor. So I see that it comes with some little zip ties to zip tie wires together. It comes with a little adjustment Allen wrench, as well as a little spare O-ring, which is nice because you can adjust these headlights up and down right there. So that's nice that it comes with all that. So in a recent video, I just put in the 9006 headlights from Auxito. Currently, I am going to be installing the 9005 headlights from Auxito, which is the high beams on the 99 to 06 Sierra, Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, you know, etc. So on these, they really couldn't be any more simple, especially when it comes to removing the headlight itself. In the packaging, they do give you a product manual, gives you instructions and different specifications of it. Does give you some little white gloves to handle the lights, but I'm pretty good without the gloves. These come with a upgraded fan system, so your high beams are obviously going to be working a little harder when they are on, so you want to make sure they stay cool. Comes with a nice O-ring and gasket when you secure it to the headlight housing. So I don't see any problems with that. So I'm gonna start on this side. As you can see, I do have LEDs in my high beams currently, but they are nothing compared to what I'm about to put in. These I'm gonna leave unnamed, but the Auxito 9006s are currently installed for my low beams. So what you're gonna wanna do is remove this little pin. Once you remove the pin, you can take the headlight out without removing the grill or anything. And as you can see here, you have the headlight, the high beam. I'm going to first disconnect, and the Auxito 9006 fan is putting in work. Very quiet, can barely hear it. Gonna turn or unlock the 9005 that's currently in there. The new 9005, I'm going to insert it into the headlight, find the correct locking position, and just turn it. You'll be able to feel it's not gonna move around. For this, I'm gonna kind of have to put the headlight back into the truck and connect it to the bottom of the light like that. And as you can see, the headlight's working. So what I'll do is I'll put it back in. So I did have to force it in there because the way that fan is on the 9006, you really don't have any issues because the fan's so shallow. But on the 9005, the fan is a little deeper. So I did have to kind of push this plastic piece back that it sits up against. But once I did that, no problems at all. And as you can see, we do have a little more light output on this side. It is unlevel right now because I'm parked on unlevel ground, but there is more light output on this side compared to this side from both high beam and low beam compared to high beam and low beam. So these are definitely putting out a lot more light. Install couldn't be easier. Like I said, you do have to kind of push back this little plastic piece. Now it may be different on your vehicle application, whether it's a 9906 or whatever. I know these headlights are pretty universal for a lot of models, but you could also cut that out if you want to. I don't see why I would have to do that, but definitely is putting out a good bit of light compared to this side here. So the Auxitos, very good light, and I would recommend them. So that was a quick and easy install video for the high beams from Auxito, and if you want to see those, you can go to their website. I'll have it linked in the description. I'll also put right here on the screen. And I mean, I cannot complain with the quality at all. Super bright, fans are excellent. I have no problems, or foresee no problems with them keeping them cool. Figured I'd put a little snippet of all the lights on. Highs, not the highs, but this is just lows and fog lights. It's freaking bright. I cannot complain at all. I can see damn well good, pretty far. I do have shield tint. I got 35% on the shield. Even with the shield tint, I mean, that's not that bad. You can still see. So I mean, if you do have shield tint, I mean, it might help you to be able to see a little better at night. And I got 5/20 or 5/15, something like that on the sides. But like I said, cannot complain with the headlight quality as well as the install. I was driving this morning on the way to work, and people were flashing me like crazy. Normally people don't flash me at all, so obviously these are pretty bright, and for the price I can't complain.